Look what came in today.
Uh-oh. The goods have arrived.
They got stickers. Paddles, a very important part of the paddleboard.
We went with the manual one instead of the electric one because we think we're man enough to handle this.
Yep, I mean I am. Just kidding. Inflatable paddleboards. Stand-up paddleboards.
Yeah. Total weight's supposed to be 27 pounds when you got it all packed up, so.
In this bang bag. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
It's huge.
A professional.
I'm just practicing.
Now I guess the hard part is figuring out how to get it all together. Hey friends, just wanted to jump in with you real quick. Few episodes back, not sure exactly which one, but I will link it here for you. We told you we were on our way back from San Diego and had a last minute change of heart.
We did a lot of soul searching.
We made a decision on the way back from San Diego. We're staying at Riverfront RV Park. San Diego episode coming next week, by the way. Few factors went into us staying at Riverfront RV Park. Number one, ownership and neighbors have been great throughout our duration here. Super clean place, everyone super friendly. Number two, rent, ridiculously cheap. We pay $350 a month, an additional pet fee as well. And I think the biggest factor, you saw our purchase right there, our new iRocker stand-up paddleboards. Well, this RV park is just a few hundred feet away from the Colorado River over here in the West Yuma Wetlands. While we were looking forward to a change of scenery, somewhere across town, how could we go away from the river with our brand new paddleboards, right? Just makes sense. Y'all, it's hot, real hot in Arizona, so having access to this river and being able to throw the paddleboards in it, pretty much a game changer. We'll go ahead and show you around the RV park right now, but make sure you stick around. We got some special guests joining us, and at the end of the video, we found us a secret water hole here in Yuma, and we'll make sure we have the directions in the description there for you. Y'all hit that subscribe button yet? Do your friends a favor.
It got really difficult to pump after a while. We're definitely getting the electric pump. I am dying. I mean, I'm not doing anything anymore, but I am still dying. Oh wait, give me that. You're doing a great job though.
All right, the moment of truth. Does it float? All right, it floats.
Got it.
It's like floats.
Even with that.
Even with that big old cooler on.
Yeah. How do you feel? Buoyant?
Very buoyant. These things are like super rigid with only 15 PSI. So
Yeah. Should
it was
we?
a lot of pumps.
Yeah.
That was my extra workout for today.
Mine too. I couldn't finish it though. We're definitely getting the electric pump. So, where do you want to go with these things?
I'd say we go to California.
Going to California?
Yeah, that's right here.
Oh. Alright, let's go. Bye, Arizona.
It feels a lot like Arizona.
I know, it feels very similar. It's like we only moved a couple hundred feet, if that. The air does seem different around here though. All right, we're in California. Anchors away, my love.
Strawrita?
Strawberryta.
Strawberryta.
It's my guilty pleasure sometimes. Okay. Do you have the mango-rita as such?
How you feeling about the paddleboards right now?
I love them.
Oh. Yeah.
We're just sitting over here in California.
Yeah, we just needed a change of scenery for the day.
I mean, I don't know. We've been in Arizona for a couple of months now. So let's just head over to California for a second. Oh, you're so handsome.
Thanks, baby. All right, so we've already gone on our maiden voyage with the new Blackfin boards. This will be our third time out. First time with our special guests today. They can see. Make them wait for it.
It's my lifelong dream.
However,
If we're talking about lifelong since Austin.
we have decided in the course of 3 days and being out every day, we are 100% getting the electric pumps.
100%.
As you can see, it's a bit of a workout. So you're definitely working for your dessert.
For sure. Ooh, Oreo, don't drink the water.
All right, let's see how this experiment works, y'all. Oreo, we believe, is gonna be better with this because she actually likes to go in the water.
I kind of love this handle.
It's an Oreo shark. All right, how you feeling about that, Oreo?
Oh, yeah. Good job. Good job, Oreo.
Wow,
Okay. I think she's found her river feet.
pretty proud of you there, Oreo. She's gonna jump up.
Sea water's good.
It's an Oreo shark. All right, how happy does this make your mommy? Puppies on paddleboards?
Puppies on paddleboard.
It's so great.
Yeah, now they gotta learn to stay out of the way of the paddle. Oh, word.
She's in charge, I'm not.
Is she swimming?
She's doing it, not me. You are such a good swimmer.
Good job.
We had one buoyant dog and one learning to cope dog.
Yeah. You okay?
I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with Barley. I didn't think she was gonna handle it like this. Good job, girl. Good job. The shark is washed up on shore. Oreo, come here. She jumped ship, y'all. Come here.
All right, let's go get your mommy. Oh, you're such a good swimmer. Go get your mommy. Oh, the current. You got it. You got it. All right, up.
Yay!
Oh, yay. All right.
Welcome back, Oreo.
When we're hanging out at our local park, we always see people floating by, but we can never tell where on the river they get in. But we finally found it. They not only start their float from here, but they also just kind of hang out and sit by the river. So let's check it out.
You ready? You ready? Go get it.
Sunday fun day, almost complete.
It's a good find. I'm so glad we found out where everyone is hanging out.
There's a lot of people hanging out.
There's a lot of people.
Too bad we only have a little more time here left.
I know.
Well, that's all right. Visit a couple more times. Okay.
Fireworks.
Fireworks or guns? Could be guns.
Definitely fireworks.
Right near
Come
the
on.
Mexico border. Who knows?
Get out of here.
I don't know. They had a grill in the boat trailer.
Which is ingenious.
It sounds like some stuff that people would do where we're from,
Yeah.
South Carolina. Yeehaw.
This is the Redneck Yacht Club. Country is countrywide.